Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and today I'm going to make for you guys that viral coffee drink called Dalgona. It originated in South Korea, and I guess it went viral on TikTok. Two of my friends have told me that I should make it. I want to give a special shout out to both Tiffany and Rhiannon. Thank you guys for suggesting this to me. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I used Folgers because the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. 2 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Na, 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 honey, honey, na, 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 na. Milk. Whatever kind you want. And lastly, an awesome ass glass that you could see your drink through, just like everybody else seems to be using in these videos. First, take your coffee, your sugar, and your water and throw them in a bowl and mix until you get this consistency. And now get your glass and pour in that milky nectar from the gods, and by gods, I mean cows. Lastly, spoon in that awesome coffee mixture. Oh, look at this beautiful, decadent piece of art. You almost don't want to drink it, it looks so good. Now, it's time for the taste test. I tried it without mixing it first. It's pretty strong, at least in my opinion. It's got a great texture on it. Full of flavor, but really, really light. And now, let's try it mixed up like you're supposed to. By the way, I got the instant coffee for like $1. So for all you people that are stuck inside your house for quarantine during, this COVID-19 coronavirus BS. Oh, I accidentally spilled some on the side there. Uh-oh. Whoa. I'm stupid. That stand mixer takes forever. But you can do this by hand also with the regular whisk. From what I've seen in the Buzzfeed video I saw this on, I didn't watch the whole video, but they said that apparently it's supposed to only take 300 whisks. But here we go. Here's the taste test for it mixed in. Oh, I could see why everybody is crazy about this. Oh, that is light, milky, coffee. Oh my god. Oh, I hope this doesn't make me bounce off the walls. I don't think it will because there's only 2 tablespoons of coffee, but oh my gosh. Oh yes, I'm nuts about this. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is good. Yum. Yum. This will be made again in my home. This definitely will. I have to set that down for a minute because I don't want to drink it too fast. I don't want to get all, but yeah, I could see what all the hubbub is about. Go and make this. If you got some instant coffee, there's also a way to make it without instant coffee, but I heard on another video, in that BuzzFeed video actually, that I guess it's different. I don't know, like they said that you couldn't use regular coffee, but like Rhiannon sent me an article that said that you could use real coffee. You just got to filter it. I'm starting to feel this caffeine. So that's all I got for you guys today. Have a great day, everyone. run off this caffeine. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. See you later.